Taipei 101 is the former record holder of the world's tallest building until Burj Khalifa took over. In this video, let's look at few facts about Taipei 101 which you may not know. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Facts and Science, and let's get started. Design of Taipei 101 is inspired by bamboo. It's hollow from inside but strong and flexible outside. Do you know that Taipei 101 does not have the floor number 44? Number 4 is considered unlucky in Chinese culture, hence the floor number 43 is named as 42A and 44 is actually named as 43. Confusing? This is what it is. Taipei 101 is prone to typhoons and earthquakes. It is built in such a way that it's flexible during typhoons and strong enough to bear earthquakes. To deal with earthquakes, a giant pendulum is installed which moves in opposite direction of the force. Just watch the pendulum in action. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.